Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. First things first, we take our thinking caps. We put them on. I've got my Captain America thinking cap on today. There it is. It even says Captain. And we've got a poof ball. Hats are always better with the poof ball. All right, boys and girls, we are going to continue what we started yesterday. Okay, and we're talking about less than and the symbol that goes along with it, right? Less than. So, Mrs. Duck, come on over here. Here's Mrs. Duck. Hello, boys and girls. Hello. It is I, Mrs. Duck, here to help you out with some math. Yes, we're going to help out. We're going to do it this way. Mrs. Duck, will you hold these 4 cubes? Why, certainly. Okay, you can hold them in your mouth. That works. So, Mrs. Duck has 4 cubes. I have 3 cubes. Now, I didn't give Mrs. Duck the yellow cubes because she's yellow and it would be hard to see. Instead, I gave her green, and I have the yellow. So, if we look at this, Mrs. Duck has 4 cubes. I have 3 cubes. So, I have less than Mrs. Duck. I have less than, right? She has 4, I have 3. I have a smaller number, so I have less than Mrs. Duck, right? So that's what we're talking about. Less than, not having as much as, right? Just like that, huh, Mrs. Duck? Yes, it's a bit confusing, and the symbols are kind of hard. Yes, that's why we went back to do another day of practice, because we don't want to move on past, right, before everybody gets it, right? Yes, we don't want to leave anybody behind. That would be tough. Yes, it's hard to catch up. So we don't want to go too fast. We want to go slow and make sure that everybody gets it before we move on. All right? So we're doing a second day of less than. Thank you very much, Mrs. Duck. I always love to see you. The boys and girls love to see you as well. Well, I love to see them too. Bye-bye, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. I'm going to practice my sight words and my math and read. Wow, you're going to do all that? Yes. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye. Okay. Hey, she only said bye once that time. She didn't come back and see you later. Well, ta-ta for now. Toodaloo. So long, see ya. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodiles. All right. I think she might be gone. Okay, so we're going to do less than. Bye-bye, Mrs. Duck. Okay, less than. We're working with less than today. Symbol, remember, points away, the opening points away from the first number. So we have 8, right? And here's the less than symbol. 8 is less than 10. Is that right? Is 8 a smaller number than 10? Yes, it is. 8 is less than 10. And if you need to draw dots to help you out with this, please do that. Okay, if you're not sure, draw your dots out. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll draw 10 over here. And as I look, I can see which one has less, right? 8 is less than 10. Okay? All right. Now, when we have bigger numbers, what we do is start off by comparing what's in the tens. So let's see if I have 25 and 43. Okay? Start by looking at the tens. Over here I have how many tens? 2, right? How many tens do I have here? 4. So what is the smaller number? 2 or 4? 2 is, right? So 25 is less than 43. And what did I use to help me? The tens. I used the tens in that one. Right? Always start with the tens. Whichever number has less tens is going to be less than. All right? Next up. What happens if we get a problem like this? 36 and 39. We go over and we start at our tens, right? Because we always start at the tens. And we have 3. And we have 3. They're the same amount of tens. What do we do now? What's our next step? I don't know. Where do we go? What do we do? I'm so confused. We relax and we go to the ones. Take a look. There's 6 ones here, 9 ones here. What is less, 6 or 9? 6. So 36 is less than 39. Okay? And then just a little hint. This is a less than symbol. I always want you to remember that. It means is less than, right? It means this is less than. So we want to remember that this symbol isn't just a symbol. It means these words is less than. But a little trick to remember is this opening. Remember, it's an alligator or a crocodile mouth. It's always going to be open towards the larger number because it wants to eat the bigger meal. So it wants to eat 39 cupcakes instead of 36. So it's facing that way. But this symbol still means is less than. Okay. Today, boys and girls, we're going to do a couple pages of our workbook 296A. Looks very similar to what we've been doing. You compare the two numbers, figure out which one is less than. You're going to circle what you use to figure it out. The tens are the ones. You're going to write those out there. And then down here, Lori makes the number 74. Gabe makes a number that is less than 74. What could be a number Gabe makes? So there's many different answers you could have there. So you put that there. And on 296B, circle the number that is less than 52, and then you're going to write them out. So one of these numbers is less than 52. You're going to write it, circle it, then write it out, just like we've been doing. Then the same thing is here. Circle the number that is less than 76. What number is less than 76? Do the same thing. What number does this model show? Does this picture show? Write it out here. And write the missing numbers. They're counting in a pattern. Write the missing numbers, okay? All right, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me for math. Have fun with this. Remember to take a break when you're done. Thank you, Mrs. Duck, for coming by and helping us out. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.